So, hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Channeling by Gachi. Thank you so much for watching my readings. I love you all. And wherever this reading is going to go, in front of anybody, I'm very, very grateful. Okay, so keep watching my readings. Thank you so much. Please do comment if you really like these readings and if it resonates with you. Okay, so let's start this reading. Also subscribe as well because this energy is very much important. It's very important to just channelize those energy which are included into my channel. Okay, so if you wanted to channel your energies through my channel, then please go and hit the subscribe button. Okay, so today's energy, I was using my romance angels oracle because of my guided intuition. I just thought to uh, take out few cards. Okay, and I got this. So there is the energy in your current area, like there is some kind of like reconciliation is happening in your life. Okay, there is a there is a person in your life which you guys have just split apart due to some other reasons, like you came into a no contact situation, maybe due to fight, due to something, some misunderstanding, some people who just wanted to um, make you apart. Okay, but I'm seeing here some kind of reconciliation is happening, and this man is coming very, very, very fast in your life because someone from your past is returning to your life. They are realizing right now your worth. Okay, your energy has played a lot in their life, and your current means you have given a lot to this person, whether your emotions, whether your time, whether your money. Like maybe few cases have been like some sort of emotional financial help has also been given by you. So this person is very much like feeling your energy, just like this man is feeling the energy of some of like a soul. Okay, so you guys, maybe this person's solar plexus chakra is getting activated, and he's just trying to when our solar plexus chakra gets activated, they we uh, just start scanning, our body starts scanning some few intuitions which comes from our root to sacral, and then solar plexus chakra is playing the important role in visualizing all of those things which is in your head. Okay, so this person is watching you in their dreams. They are reminiscing about you. They currently feel that they have made some kind of wrong decisions in their life. And I'm also channeling, maybe there is a kind of a person involved with marriage as well. Maybe this person is married, maybe you are married, and maybe this person had not took the stand to get married with you. Maybe this person had already got married with someone else, despite of the fact they were having feelings for you. So I'm seeing here kind of the energy like 337 here on the timer. I'm seeing the energy of someone like who have felt so lonely in their life after like leaving you, and maybe got have you might have got the distance of you might have got the separation uh, and the distance both, so you might have just changed your place, and also you got apart through some kind of like mutual decision, and maybe a kind of like not, maybe you have just split apart while not explaining yourself much because you were knowing that how much you have given to this person. Maybe this person was in a moment, in a heat of the moment, they have just decided to not to just chase you and just to release you from their life because they were so much attractive by their pump and show energies. Okay, so right now they are facing a lot of uh, deep inside, they're getting a lot of regretting energies, I'm feeling. Okay, and so let's check few more energies. I mean, let's check few more cards from this energy. Same. Okay, I'm sensing that, oh god, oh my god, oh my god, what has came. this has came, the devil card. See, the devil card has came. I am damn sure this person is obsessing over you. They are just thinking, they are just reminiscing. Maybe they are feeling like they are just getting the addiction of your energy. Okay, so this person is might be watching you somewhere around your social media or something, like they are just stalking you, and also they are watching you very obsessively what is going on in your life. Maybe they are just energetically they are also trying to trace you, where you are, what you are thinking, how you are, you how you have been. Maybe after the separation you might have like entertained somebody else. What did you did? Okay, so they are having lots of questions inside your head, inside their head, but they are just starting to feel they did they did like they have not valued you. They have not valued you as much as they should do, and they are learning from that mistake. They have not valued you. Right now they are being very 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 sad about this current situation, because they are obsessing over you. They are feeling like they were not, maybe they had a kind of attraction onto someone, and um they just got slipped into their arms without even telling you, without even saying anything to you. They have kept it secret. But right now I'm seeing the energy of this person to be like they're feeling extremely ashamed of themselves. Okay, and like they have not valued you. How can they ever come and face themselves in front of you? Okay, and you were the one who was just trying to like who was just trying to fix everything in their life, but they were not there when you were in your problems. Okay, but I am sensing here this person is watching you. They're feeling attracted to you, maybe your personality, maybe your persona. This person is facing like they're seeing you, how much beautiful you have got since the time they had got separated, and they're even comparing you at that point of time and at now this point of time. You are becoming extremely beautiful and bold. Maybe you are focusing a lot in your work, maybe you are doing a lot of work, so they are getting insecure by this. They're feeling like maybe somebody could be there in your energy, and in the heat of the moment they just took lot of decisions, but now they are feeling maybe you might have not thought about their you might have not thought about one thing, that they were in their feelings but they haven't expressed it to you completely. And as once somebody has arrived in their life, they just got slipped, and then they had got married or somebody, like so and so on. Okay, so I'm seeing here that this person is currently very very insecure after watching you, after seeing you, after seeing you glow, because you are currently unbothered. You are very much into your current life. You are feeling you wanted to move ahead in your life and do something in your career, as I'm also sensing here. Also somebody, you guys are very much in tune with your personal life right now. You are not focusing onto this person, and this person is watching that you're not focused onto them. You're currently focused onto yourself, and this is a very 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 amazing energy. See, six of wands, they just want to win you. Personal means they just feel like it's their personal achievement, that they just wanted to win over you, so that they can feel very very happy, they can feel very very content. And I'm seeing here this person is just trying to they're just feeling you in the air, like your absence. They are feeling you in the air. They are feeling like everything has been going to a kind of like a death in their current situation. They are not feeling well. They are not being well, because they're feeling your absence. Maybe since the day you have gone, uh, you have not turned towards this person, and they're feeling a void inside their mind. They're quite a kind of like feeling personal loss with you. They're miserable without you. This person wants to take the accountability, that they had some kind of like With this Five of Swords energy, I'm sensing here they had some kind of like past resentments towards you, but right now they just wanted to reconcile with you. They just wanted to, um, uh, they just want to quit the fight which had like past the time they had whatever the fights you had at the time of separation. They wanted to just put it to the end. They just want to make sure everything is going well, and they are just trying to this particular masculine, I'm seeing here a particular masculine here. This masculine is trying to feel your energy and feeling a lot of void inside their head. Okay, with this high priestess energy, they are feeling like you are the high priestess. Okay, you're the high priestess in their life, and they just wanted to attain this position with you, like high hierophant, high priestess, the hierophant. They just wanted to appear like this in front of you when once they arrive at your place. Okay, because they are feeling like you are being very much responsible, very much mature, and after whatever they did, they are exactly at that point only. But you have got much wiser, and you have got much matured, more than this person. They more than this person they could ever be. Okay, but I think that you're just focused on your life. This person is thinking like you're unbothered, you're not even thinking about this person. And also you're right now like maybe studying, you are doing some kind of law, you're some kind of like you are in the work of like law, maybe you're doing law practice, maybe you are a lawyer. I'm sensing the energy of somebody who is very studious, very much always wanting to gather the knowledge, and you're being very very wise. Okay, you're not into their energy, their persona, and they're feeling restless. They're feeling very restless about it. They're feeling the absence of yours, and they're feeling like maybe they did something to get your attention. Maybe they post something onto their social media so that they could get your attention. But right now, I'm seeing, see, the Lover's card. Right now, I'm seeing that this person is they just wanted to come towards you again, and they just want to mend things with you. But I am sensing like they are like feeling they you are much wiser than them. So how they can face you, how they can come towards you after doing so much. And the Lover's energy is actually exactly saying about they think that this connection was, this was their worst mistake, and this was their absolutely absurd mistake which they did of losing you. Okay, and right now they're feeling the void, they're feeling the problematic situation which had been they are going through right now. But they're feeling that this connection is divinely guided, this connection is heavenly made, so they should not behave like that. And they should have taken the accountability of this connection before you might have gone too far. But now I it seems to me like this person um, just wants to come towards you. But how? Let's see what will be the next action of this person towards my collective. What will be the next action of this person towards my collectives? Please show me. Hmm. Okay. So this person will come out as a cold person in front of you. But it will be something like their behavior could be cold, but they are going to put like they are going to um, show you that they don't care, but they are going to put the efforts. They are going to put the efforts in, and they are very passionate about this current situation. They're very passionate about you, they are very 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 passionate about this connection. They just wanted to observe like how you're going to react um, before they even try to, because they are very much, maybe this person is facing a kind of like self-respect issues and egoistic issues. Okay, so I feel and I sense like that. Okay, so they're manifesting you, You might feel like this person suddenly shifts and change their tone and energy once you're going to connect with this person, and once they are going to see how you're going to connect. If you're going to do the lot of like, first let me tell you, well, let me be very clear to you. If you're going to fight with this person is strictly going to go up, like go towards somebody else. Okay, this person is very egoistic, and if you're going to be patient and be calm, then this person is going to come forward in front of you. I am sensing it. Okay, but inside they are knowing that their mistake was there. Okay, so see, I'm seeing here that this person is keeping everything very very secret from their environment because they don't wanted anybody to get to know if actually they are married. Okay, I don't know why they are just keeping it secret, because I think it seems to me like there is kind of like caution. Maybe you should have to be very much cautious about this person to move further live with them, or you should not. Okay, it's up to you. It's like how this person is going to react and how they are going to perceive you as, but I am sensing like this person is keeping everything cautious. Also, this person is very fearful, like how you're going to react and um how you're going to perceive them as. Okay, so that was our reading. How it resonated with you, please do comment me down me. Also, if you like this reading, then please hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. I'll meet you in my next reading. Take care. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye.